Hello guys, look at this. When I rotate the knob, the LED's brightness slightly changes from low to high, and when I rotate it the other way, it becomes dim. Hello everyone, today I am going to show another interesting electronics project. In my previous video, we learned how to light an LED using a breadboard, and we also control the LED using a push button. Today, instead of on and off, we will control the brightness of the LED. In this project, we will use a potentiometer to control the LED's glow. Welcome to Dhruv's Corner. These are the components used in my project. One jumper wire, a 9-volt battery, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, a LED and a potentiometer. Now let me explain this using paper and pen. First, this is the power supply. This is a positive and negative. First, the positive goes to our potentiometer, which then goes back to the negative. But wait, our circuit is not complete. The third leg of the potentiometer, or the wiper, which is usually used to control the output device which we are using, will go to our LED's anode through a resistor. Now why a resistor, you ask? Because when the potentiometer knob is turned to low, it lets most of the current pass through, and we do not want too much current to go to our LED, which may damage it. That is why we use a resistor to protect our LED. Then the negative of the LED will go back straight into our 9-volt battery. Now let us just implement that to real life. Here is our stuff. First, we will connect the battery. Then we will connect our potentiometer. Done. Now we will connect the middle leg of the potentiometer or the wiper to a resistor. Now this resistor of ours, second leg, will go straight back to the LED's anode, and the cathode of the LED, or the second leg, will go back to the line where we connected the potentiometer's negative. Now when we rotate the dial, the LED slowly turns on and then goes off. This is how dimmer switches work in real life. When I rotate the knob, the resistance changes. Because of this, the LED brightness changes. More current makes the LED brighter, less current makes the LED dimmer. Potentiometers are used to control volume and light dimmers. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.